in terms of physics, or when we are technically talking about in physics, that is that 10 kg. That 10 kg is always the mass of the body, not weight. Weight is something else, mass of the body. Weight क्या होता है फिजिक्स के अंदर में? Weight word is specifically defined as the force exerted by the earth. Force exerted by the earth on any particle lying on its surface or around it. ठीक है? So there is a distinction between mass and weight. This is the first basic thing which you need to know.
Sir, can you repeat what is weight?
Yes, I'll repeat. Mass क्या होता है? Mass is exact quantity of material expressed in kg और grams. ठीक है? Weight क्या होता है? Weight, it is the force with which or pulls any object near to it. ठीक है? So weight is actually the force with which the earth is pulling a body or an object near to it and towards its center. ठीक है? With which earth pulls any object near to it towards its center. ठीक है? इस weight की वैल्यू, weight को जनरली W से डिनोट करते हैं. W is equal to mass of the body into acceleration due to gravity.
This should always be 10, right?
Yes, near to Earth's surface, it's not always 10. There is variation. Okay? I'll let you know about the variations also here itself. If we are at equator or close to equator, the value is perfectly 9.2. Okay?
Yes.
But if we move towards poles, the value decreases a bit. Near the poles, the value is somewhat lesser. Okay? It will be somewhere.
So when do we have to use this pole and like I'm not understanding.
I'm telling you. See, 9.8 से यहाँ पर वैल्यू कम होता है, but problem solving के लिए whenever you have to use this 9.8 meter per second square value. ठीक है? For sake of problem solving, whether you are doing the problem at equator or at Tropic of Cancer or at pole, you have to use this value. This is average value of acceleration due to gravity on Earth's surface. Average value of acceleration due to gravity on Earth's surface. अब ये variation क्यों होता है Earth surface पे अलग अलग? That is something which you will learn in higher grades, not here. ठीक है? But just to answer your question, whether it is same everywhere or is this the only value we are going to use? Yes, for now it is the only value you are going to use, but at the same time you need to know that this value is not constant everywhere on the earth. Okay?
Yes, sure.
Also, the second thing is this value is average just near the earth's surface. The average acceleration due to gravity near the earth's surface is going to be this much. Okay? But if I go far away from Earth's surface, far away matlab around 8 kilometer, 10 kilometer or 20 kilometer above the Earth's surface, the value of acceleration due to gravity is going to decrease. Okay? So as we move away from Earth's surface, the value of acceleration due to gravity is going to decrease. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So suppose my weight is 100 kg. I'm standing on Earth's surface. My weight will be my mass is 100 kg,
Mass.
and and I'm standing at the surface of Earth. My weight will be 980, 9.8 into 100. That is 980 kilogram meter per second square. That is 980 Newton. Okay? But if I go away from Earth's surface, my weight will certainly be lesser.
Decrease. Yes.
Decrease. It will become lesser than 980. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Fine. Just hold on for a minute. Uh,
I didn't understand this part. Like 980 Newton.
980 Newton is the result of force exerted by Earth on a mass of 100 kg. Right? 980 Newton कैसे आया हमारे पास? This is the force exerted by Earth on this 100 kg mass.
Yes.
Right now, mass of body into acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.8, उससे
Yes.
100
9.8. Yes. Correct.
100 को मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 980 न्यूटन आया. So 100 kg weight is nothing but this 980 Newton. Similarly, 50 kg weight क्या होगा? 50 kg weight का मतलब क्या होगा? 50 multiplied by V, which is 50 multiplied by 9.8 or 490 Newton. So
this 490 Newton is equal to
right.
50 kg weight.
Yes. So ये kg weight जहां पर भी लिखा रहेगा उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इस मास को g से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. ठीक है? और जो फोर्स आ रहा है, we are talking about that force. Is that okay?
Understood. Yes.
Now it's clear? Okay.
Yes, it is clear.
Okay. Now simple machines पे we are going to come back again. Simple machine का पहला काम क्या होगा? The first work of simple machine is to reduce our effort because that is the basic definition of machine. दूसरा important चीज ये होता है simple machine. किसी भी चीज को मैं simple machine कब बोलूंगा? Any machine which does not generate or works on its own, ठीक है, does not generate energy or works on it, जो भी चीज खुद से एनर्जी जनरेट नहीं करेगा, ठीक है, जिसके अंदर इंजन नहीं होगा, वो खुद से एनर्जी जनरेट नहीं कर सकता है, right?
Yes.
That means it will work only if we are supplying some energy to it or we are working on it. ठीक है?
वो ह्यूमन एनर्जी से वर्क करेगा.
Exactly. वो ह्यूमन एनर्जी से हमेशा वर्क करेगा. ह्यूमन एनर्जी से या फिर एनिमल्स की भी एनर्जी से वर्क करता है. ठीक है?
Yes.
But it will not have a self-working engines to power it working. ठीक है? It will now not have an engine which will provide constant energy to it. ठीक है? ऐसे जो भी मशीन होंगे उनको हम लोग सिंपल मशीन बोलते हैं. सो सिंपल मशीन के दो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होते हैं. पहला, वो हमारे एफर्ट को कम करता है और दूसरा, इट मस्ट नॉट हैव एनी सेल्फ एनर्जी. That means it should work on external energy provided by us or it should work on external effort provided by us. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In design and construction, production. Secondly, must reduces effort to do a work and it always works on our effort. Yeah, that is, it must not have an engine to power itself. ठीक है, सो इस सेंस में अब लेकिन अगर किसी चीज का सिंपल डिजाइन नहीं है, ठीक है ना, देन इट इज जनरली नॉट कॉल्ड सिंपल मशीन, दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉम्प्लेक्स मशीन. सेकेंडरी मशीन उनको नहीं बोलते हैं, कॉम्प्लेक्स मशीन बोलते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे बुलक कार्ट्स वगैरह हो गए ना, या
Yes.
एनी एनिमल ड्रिवन व्हीकल, ठीक है, या फॉर दैट मैटर ह्यूमन पुल्ड रिक्शास, ठीक है, must have seen in many movies,
Yes.
human pulled rickshaws, old movies. Okay? They are all complex machines. They also work on our effort. They don't have an engine to power themselves. Okay?
But that design is little complex.
Their
That's
design
all.
is little complex, therefore they are categorized as complex machines. Okay?
Okay.
Simple machines may we have 2-3 things which are very much prevalent. Uh, the list is like pulley, seesaw, seesaw,
That pulley is simple machine, right?
right? Seesaw, pulley. Basically, again, पुरानी movies में you might have seen well, ठीक है, वेल के ऊपर में एक गोल गोल सा लगा हुआ होता है जिसके ऊपर रस्सी बाउंडेड होता है एंड दैट इज कनेक्टेड टू अ बकेट एंड वी unpull and sorry unwind and wind this what should I say, or pull this bucket out of the well and put it down using this rope via this pulley. ठीक है, why we do this? Generally because just pulling directly using the hands at 90 degree, that is going to increase our effort. इस case में it becomes much convenient for us to pull the heavy bucket easily. Is that okay? That
So
is,
is it like that? That simple machine, your complex machine is little difficult to use. Is it like that?
complex machines are going to function on multiple elements. Simple machine is a single element machine. सिंगल एलिमेंट मशीन, पुली में कुछ भी नहीं होता है, एक सिर्फ रॉड या
Yes.
एक्सेल होता है, इसके ऊपर एक सर्कुलर एक डिस्क टाइप की चीज होती है, या सर्कुलर सिलेंडर बोल सकते हो आप, ऑफ वेरी लिटिल विड्थ. ठीक है, और इसके ऊपर हमारा वायर जो या रोप जो होता है वो बाउंडेड बाइंडेड होता है. ठीक है,
Yes.
one more. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
The force which I will apply, I'll call it effort. Sometimes, मतलब simple machines में इस effort को कभी मतलब कभी नहीं, पहले के टाइम में इसको पावर भी रेफर करते थे, पावर मीन्स. However, power has a different definition. ठीक है,
Yes.
बट इस
Yes.
एफर्ट को हम लोग पावर बोला करते थे, ये आप ब्रैकेट में नोट कर सारे लोग,
Okay.
क्योंकि ये टर्मिनोलॉजी है और ये पुरानी टर्मिनोलॉजी है विच इज स्पीकिंग विद द सिंपल मशीन येट।
अभी ये यूज नहीं करते, लाइक पावर टर्म हम लोग अभी
पावर
यूज नहीं
टर्म
करते।
अब नहीं यूज करते हैं, बट वी शुड नो दैट। ठीक है, पावर अब हम किस चीज के लिए यूज करते हैं? पावर इज वर्क डन पर यूनिट टाइम, वर्क अपॉन टाइम, दैट इज पावर, जूल पर सेकेंड और वॉट। So power has a very different definition in modern times. However, that effort used to be also called as power. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Now the next thing is there is something called as mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage जो होता है that is just equal to,
But I can't hear you.
I said there is a terminology called mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage का मतलब होता है कि कोई भी भारी काम आप कितना कम एफर्ट से कर रहे हो। अगर मैकेनिकल एडवांटेज बड़ा हुआ मतलब आपका एफर्ट प्रोपोर्शनेटली बहुत कम लग रहा है।
कम होगा, yes.
ठीक है, दैट मीन्स दैट मशीन इज मेकिंग योर वर्क मोर एफिशिएंट। जस्ट होल्ड ऑन फॉर अ सेकंड, आई विल